of the transformer coming into the board, but as you can see, there's no power registering. So what I do, take my multimeter here, got it on volts DC, volts, I'm gonna show you here. So volts DC, we'll reset it just to prove it. Okay, volts DC. So we put it right on the end of the transformer, which should register 24 volts AC. And as you can see, 0. So this transformer is dead and it needs replaced. And then everything will have power again, and everything should be restored. So we just got to get that particular transformer. Pretty common. We can probably get one locally. All right, so here we are. We're hooking up the new transformer. Unhooking this now, and then hooking up the new one. So let's hook the red and blue back up to that. That's the out for the 24 volts that we were missing before. Now let's get this hooked up to the board. Okay, that goes down to the neutral board spot on the board there, and then the other black that's left is right here. And that one is right there, and that one goes right over onto that. There it is. Okay, so let's hook back up. We're now ready to give it a test, see what we got. All right. There we go. We got power again. All right. Can you set your thermostat again to cool?
Yep.
Is it off right now? All right, go ahead and shut it on because I got power now. Should kick all on. We should be back in business, hopefully. There it goes. I heard something. There it goes. I think we're in business. Oh, hopefully, anyway.
Hopefully, right.
Unless something else is wrong, we're going to see. Well, it did kick on for a second. It's flashing something. Okay. I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a minute. How many flashes is that? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 flashes. What does this say? 10 flashes means an open fuse. Really? Where though? Because I tested the fuse. Well, the fuse can't be open though. Can't be right. Unless it's somewhere else. Like upstairs where I can't get to it. Let's try it one more time to see if maybe it just is confused. Try it again. Alright, so we determined that the green wire is voltage issue that we saw Alright, so we took out the old transformer. We now have power again. It is running, but with the common wire off. So we're gonna see if that solves the problem, but I think the relay and the AC unit is shorting. So I'm not sure that it's gonna even be running, but I can't go up there to look. So we may have to send somebody to check out the rest of it. I did everything that could be done down on this level.